No service is right for everyone. So here's who I would actually point somewhere else. First, if you're building a startup that plans to raise money from investors usually want a specific setup. A Delaware C corporation with proper share ownership in place from day one. A service like Stripe Atlas is built specifically for that. It costs more, but it sets up the investor-ready structure and the tax paperwork that come with raising money, which a standard LLC formation service doesn't do. If that's you, start there instead. Second, if keeping your upfront costs as low as possible is your main goal, and you don't mind waiting a bit longer, then a service like Bizee is worth a look. Their free plan forms your LLC for just the state fee, and it even includes your registered agent for the first year. The main trade-off is speed, because their standard filing can take around 4 weeks, where Northwest is usually faster. So Bizee makes less sense if you're in a hurry. There's also one thing to keep in mind for the longer term. Their registered agent renews each year for a little bit more than Northwest does, at $149 compared to $125. So if the lowest starting cost matters most, or you actually want your address public, maybe you have a storefront that you want customers to find, then Bizee can be a better pick. If privacy, speed, and long-term registered agent costs matter more, Northwest usually comes out ahead. So is Northwest registered agent worth it? For most people starting a business, yes, and here's how I would think about it. The truth is that keeping an LLC in good standing takes ongoing work no matter what. The yearly filings, the deadlines, and keeping your details current. You're going to pay for that in one of two ways, with your time or with your money. If you're confident with paperwork, you don't mind tracking down the right legal forms, and you're okay with the risk of occasionally getting something wrong and having to refile, then you can do this for yourself for just the state fees. There's nothing wrong with going with that route, and I've done it before. I've formed an LLC by hand, and I've filed my own EIN too. It's all doable. I just wouldn't want to do it again in that way. I'd rather pay a reasonable price for someone else to do it for me. For me, the time it takes and the chance of making a mistake aren't worth it when a service can handle it cleanly for an affordable fee. If I were starting a new business today, I would use Northwest Registered Agent. If you want your address kept private, transparent pricing, and real people to call when you're stuck, Northwest is an excellent fit in any state, even if you're outside the US. And if you're raising money from investors, look at a Delaware C corporation through something like Stripe Atlas. If the lowest possible upfront cost is what matters most, and you're willing to wait on your business formation and pay more for your registered agent service renewals later, take a look at Bizee. And if you want ongoing access to attorneys and legal advice as you go, something like LegalZoom works more like a full legal services company, though you are going to pay more for it. For most people, Northwest Registered Agent is the service that I would recommend. If you've decided that Northwest is right for you, the first link in the description will get you the best deal that we have with Northwest Registered Agent. And if you're actually ready to set it up, watch my full step-by-step walkthrough next. I'll take you through the whole process. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business.